Hi, today in front of me Xiaomi Redmi 10 Lite, and I'll show you how to scan QR codes with our device help. So just to do that, we should first open notification panel shortcuts, and somewhere here you should find scanner icon. If you don't see this icon on the panel, you will see this option just here in the available totals. So just click to this plus icon to add this option to the panel. Click to done, and just to scan now QR codes, we should open the scanner app. Click here, yes, I agree, allow, and we should now place the QR code here into this frame. So let's just do it. Wait a second, and now we can see here the result. This is the link for this QR code. So just to open it, click go to website, and just be sure that you are connected to the Wi-Fi or just to mobile data. Okay, so now we can see that this is the Wikipedia article. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.